Yes, it's March 11, 2026. 8, we're going to Slovenia now from Zurich main station. So we just got back from Liechtenstein and now we're going to Ljubjana, Slovenia. So we already have the global rail pass. Now we have booked yesterday, last night, our sleeper cabin. So we already have our sleeper cabin. So we are already in Zurich main station. Anong tayo, Mi? Anong platform 37. So we are in platform 37 at 8:40. It's still, as you can see on the clock, it's still 7:10 in the evening. So we're just stand by here. Maghihintay-hintay lang tayo dito until it's time for us to board our overnight train to Slovenia, Ljubjana, Slovenia. So our departure is 8:40, 20:40, and still not there on the board. I'm trying to record this video on English so that everyone can understand how we'll be commuting from. How we'll be doing this overnight travel from Zurich main station to Slovenia. Still not there. We're so early. Tayo. Palagay ko nandito na yung ating wala pa. Halwil. Platform 7. Ito na yung platform 7. I think this is the one. This is our train. Yeah, I think this is our train. As you can see, there are this is the seater. See, the OBB night jet. This is our train. We'll just look for our cabin. Sleeping car. This is the cowshed. We're looking for cabin 317. Wagon 317. We're looking for 317. This is it. This is 317. Can we board now? Teka lang. Baka mo to.
Ljubljana, ne?
Yeah.
Okay, Kabine Nummer 6
Three.
und ich komme später noch.
You rail pass.
Just a moment. Cabin number 6.
Six. 1, 2, and 6. 6. Our cabin. Oh, it's so small. Yeah. Oh, teka lang. Oh, wow.
On is here, okay?
Okay.
I please in the night lock the door.
Okay.
Okay?
Thank you. Train to Slovenia. We are in cabin 317. We're going to our cabin. This is number 6. 2 and 6. This is our cabin. Not much space, but it's okay. It's okay rather than, you sit down. This is better than the cow shed. Right. There are other rooms there also, and That is the outside of the Zurich main station. Nice.
Where's the app?
We'll go look for the comfort room, the toilet. Oh, that's the toilet. Shared toilet for one whole car, coach. Share the basin and toilet. Wow. So for one whole car or section of the train, there's two shared bathrooms or toilet. Nice. So actually there are three beds, three layered beds, but we're not going to go up there. That's so high. I'll just stay here, and my wife's gonna stay there. Down. You have this mirror. Part of the package comes with some
Hindi
snacks.
yan.
This one only.
Croissant yan.
Two
Probably.
croissants and two water. It's okay. You have charging ports there. Very important for me as a blogger. And you have hooks there for your jacket. And there's the window. So somehow I was able to lift my bag there, luggage there, on the third bed, third floor of this cabin, sleeper cabin. So what's left is my other luggage here, and we let this open so that air will come in, and I think that's it for her. You have a small cabinet here, trash bin. You have this sink. They gave us 2 bottles of water and then croissants. Okay, that's it. That's how it looks, and that is how for 11 hours 12 hours we'll sleep here and try to get some sleep, even though sometimes if you don't if you're not used to the movements of the train. I think you will not be able to sleep here. We'll try. We'll see if I will be able to sleep here. If we will be able to sleep here for 12 hours, 8 hours through the night. Okay. And we're moving. So we left the station on time, on the dot. See you in the morning. Close this, it's so noisy. It's so noisy. Now it's okay. Good night. Good morning. We are already in Slovenia, but not yet in Ljubjana. This is in Jesenice, near Lake Bled. I just saw on the map that it's near Lake Bled. 2 more stops and we're there, Ljubjana. Did you sleep well?
Yeah.
Me too, I slept well also, but twice I had to get up and go down and pee. We're already in the station near Lake Bled. 2 more stations and we're there. Was a small breakfast. Is this a sandwich? Big sandwich. coffee and some creamer and sugar. And this good juice. Good juice. See?
Hindi ako nakain ito. Nakakapi lang ako.
Just arrived in Ljubjana. What time is it, me?
8.
Huh? 8 o'clock.
7:55.
We arrived 7:54 in Ljubjana, Slovenia.